Hi guys, it's your boy Kelvin here again. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to get started with the Anopa plugin. I just thought of it, then I realized that I literally made a video, my first video about how to get started about the template, and now I'm making another how to get started. Well, this time you're starting with a template, so that's the difference here. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to get started with a template with the Anopa plugin, Anopa Shopify Framer e-commerce plugin on the Framer marketplace. Now this video has been long overdue, mostly because I've been trying to get the templates to the Framer marketplace, but it's been lacking in some requirements from the Framer marketplace, which is fair because I really didn't put in that much time and efforts that is required to the level of standard Framer expects their template quality to be. But that's okay. I think the template should serve its purpose as to effectively showing you how you can leverage some of the components that comes with the Anopa plugin. Now there's a lot more to come with the Anopa plugin, so stay tuned. Without wasting much time, let's jump right into the video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a Framer project. Now, had I been able to get my template accepted to the marketplace, I would have made the whole process a lot shorter. But regardless, this shouldn't take a while to get started and going. All right, so you open up a Framer project and then you load up the plugin. Sorry, right. Then if you are already authenticated and stuff, you should be seeing this modal over here. And then you open up the template section, which you can see the templates over here. Now you can go ahead and preview or use the templates. We won't do the preview right now, but you can do that and see how the templates operate and everything. Now what we're going to do is use template immediately, which will take us to a browser that allows us to basically go through the whole process of getting the template loaded and running up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. You can also go ahead and do that and come right back. Okay, so now once you've got the template fully loaded up into Framer, whether it be the Framer desktop app or in-browser Framer, you should be seeing something like this. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to your layouts templates, and over here locate the Anopa config and delete it. All right, and then load up the plugin again. Now in the near future, there's going to be a much smoother way to fix this issue right here, because it doesn't seem to be very ethical to always have to delete and reput, but you always do this once. So all you're going to do is come to components, head over to the global, and then put this right here. Now this is also important. Make sure that you have all your information needed to connect your Shopify store to the plugin basically. So this needs to be present before you import this into your projects. Now once you have this done, you can just go ahead and hide the opacity over here and then put it at the top, maybe absolute, and then centered and something like that. You can always adjust the visibility just to know that the component is there. All right, so once we have this, what I'm going to do is go ahead and refresh the tab just to make sure everything is loaded in and stuff like that. And then we should be good to go now. Right, now you head back to your home. We come here, and then this is basically the homepage designed for the template that I did to help you out get started with the plugin. So nothing too fancy, something simple, something light. So you load it up, you're seeing something like this. Pretty much these should connect you to where you want to go. This should also connect you to where you want to go. And then we can come here, see all of these, change these. All right, something very light, but you should probably spend more time on the template, on the website, sorry, if you're trying to use this for your project or something like that. So yeah, let's dive deep into how a lot of these things work. Before that, let's just test this out. So you come here, you probably come here, and then maybe select this guy, add some quantity. You realize that it says 5 left. It doesn't go beyond that. Pretty much everything should be functional as expected. You add to cart, should work as expected, nice and dandy. You clear the cart, and there's some bugs. Oh god. All right, so everything should be working. You come here, you check it has only 5 items left. You come here, pretty much nothing too serious. Over here, only 5 left. Hurry. You realize that when you add 5, you can't go beyond that, right? So you can just add a decent amount, add, and then you get it, all right? And then you clear carts, all right? Now, over here in the cart, you can also see you can literally just jump to another product, and then over here too you can do some quick add functions. Some quick add again, and then maybe quick add on this one too. All right, so you can do some quick add, increase, and you can see the numbers just update instantly. Nothing needs to refresh and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, pretty much everything should work as expected. All right, we come back to our home, and let's just jump right into some of the components, in-depth components. Now, again, I always forget this. I think I've had sometimes we record this some time now. Right, before you even move on, you wouldn't want to be seeing the same items from my store. So you have to come to your CMS and rerun the plugin to make sure that the items you're seeing here are the items from your Shopify store. So you come here and then you sync products, and then you're good to go. Give it a couple of seconds. And we're good to go. That took an awful lot of time, but yeah, it should still work. Great. So yeah, let's dive right into this component right here. Just basically the only thing coming from the plugin is the quick add functionality, which is over here. It works perfectly fine. You come to your home, and then maybe we should go to the store. Not this one, sorry, the category space. So somewhere here. I think the bigger part of it would be here, where we have a lot of the components being used over here. Now it's saying load Shopify config. It should actually be loaded and functional. You just need to reload the page. And then pretty much everything should be showing now. All right. Buy now, if I did test buy now, it will just take me out of this screen to a browser to just buy the product. But it should be working. What else do we need to do? So a lot of these components have editable fields to your right. So things like the variant price, you can edit this, show. So you can have this component show both variant price and the compare price. You can have the compare price standalone. You can have the variant selectors has its own style. So this is like the default for everything else, and then this is for color swatches if the data that is coming in are colors, right? And that's for the right. So I wouldn't want to go too much into how these operate, because it has descriptions to a lot of it, and most of these are self-explanatory, so I think you'll be fine with that. The quantity selector is a component that utilizes these and these, pretty much these and these from the components, and then this, right? And then buy now too is another component is that. So yeah, another thing about a lot of the components is it gives you control over like instances. So if the item is available, what should we show? If it is out of stock, what should we show? If it is select variants, what should we show? If it is loading, what should we show? So stuff like that is what a lot of the components does. The same thing applies to AutoCAD. It also has the same thing over here, which is very cool, and it sort of like helps the UX of the website and your e-commerce website in general. So That's pretty much it. All these are all being fed from the CMS. So yeah, we're just going to go through this and see if everything works as expected. All right. Now, I think that's pretty much it. There shouldn't be anything hard to follow. Of course, as always, if you have any challenges with this plugin, I would love to hear your thoughts on that. If you have any ideas, if you think there's anything you think is worth sharing, you can always reach out, and I would gladly answer, as I do want to hear your feedback on this. So yeah, until then, I think watch out for the next video. Peace.